From a simple baby food formula to a global giant with over 1.3 billion Swiss francs in revenue, this is a brand that is present in almost every household worldwide. Nestle's story in India started in 1912 with the import of condensed milk. Back then, infants' mortality rates were high. Recognizing this, Nestle introduced its iconic Milkmaid brand, promoting its nutritional benefit for mothers and babies. But this wasn't until 1956 that Nestle truly established itself, opening its first facility in Moga, Punjab, which gave the start of long-lasting relationship with Indian consumers. Nestle's ability to adapt local taste produced a famous product like Maggi. The rich in nutrition, quick to make instant noodle, hit that win over Indian families. Nestle also changed the way Indians drink coffee every day by introducing Nescafe instant coffee and Milkmaid condensed milk, a favorite for desserts. Let's look at a few numbers that really say a lot. Nescafe made 6 crores in revenue in India in 1967. In the year 2000, it reached an astounding 6,000 crores, an incredible increase that proved Nestle's popularity among Indian consumers. Nestle's marketing skills were seen in Mummy or Maggi, an ad that celebrated the special bond formed between mother and children over a delicious Maggi supper. A warm cup of coffee, Nescafe Sunrise, and another legendary campaign encapsulated the essence of a happy morning. Nestle expanded the product line to include wholesome beverages like milk and healthy alternatives like Maggi Nutrilicious Oats in the line with the latest health tech. They have adopted digital channels, interacting with customers and starting powerful internet marketing efforts. Today, Nestle is a successful company with revenue that has risen over 1.3 billion Swiss francs, showing its flexibility and continued success. Nestle's commitment to a brighter future is shown in innovations such as Harvest Veggie Patties as well as sustainable programs. Nestle's experience in India shows quality, innovation and a deep understanding of local taste, having it grown from a small start to dominant position in the market. Nestle's tradition of good food, good life continues as they move forward, ensuring future generation of delicious foods. What are some of your favorite Nestle products? Let us know in the comment section and don't forget to like, subscribe for more fascinating stories of the brand.